In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change TradingView password. We'll walk through this from the very beginning so you can follow along even if you're starting from a fresh browser session. First, open your web browser and run a quick search for TradingView. In the results, click the official TradingView link that usually appears as TradingView Track All Markets. That takes you to the home page. Make sure you're signed into your account so you can access your settings. If you're already logged in, you'll see your profile icon in the top right corner of the page. Click your profile icon to open the account menu. From that menu, choose Settings and Billing. This opens your account area where all your personal and subscription details live. On the Settings page, select Account Settings. You'll see several categories here. The one you want is called Sign-in Credentials. Inside Sign-in Credentials, click Change Password. A form will appear asking for your current password and your new one. Type your current password in the first field. In the next field, enter your new password. Aim for a strong, unique password you haven't used elsewhere. A good rule of thumb is at least 12 characters, mixing uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Consider using a memorable passphrase or a reputable password manager to generate and store it securely. Next, confirm your new password by typing it again in the confirmation field. Make sure both entries match exactly. Any extra space or typo will cause an error. If you see a message about password requirements, adjust your new password to meet the criteria shown on screen. When everything looks good, click Save Changes. TradingView will process the update and show a confirmation once it's successful. If there's an error, double-check your current password and ensure your new one meets the listed requirements. A quick housekeeping tip. After changing your password, update it in your password manager and be prepared to sign in again on any other devices or browsers where you use TradingView. If you ever signed up using a social login, you may find that password options are managed through that provider. In that case, the change password option inside TradingView might be limited or hidden. Finally, for added protection, consider enabling two-factor authentication in your security settings to keep your account even more secure. That's it. Your TradingView password is now updated. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any section if you need to follow along step by step.